In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this ACT math question using the TI-84 Plus scientific calculator fast and easily. So ensure you stay with me to the very end of this video. Alright, so let's get started. This question is under trigonometry and it's very simple. Now the very first thing we have to do will be to reset the calculator to put it in default mode. Alright, so to reset, just press this second button, then this plus button. You go for option 7, which is reset, then press 1 to reset RAM, you press 2 to reset, and it will do it for you. Alright, it's done. Press this clear button. Okay, so the question says the expression in fraction square root of 1 minus cos square theta over square root of 1 minus sine square theta is equivalent to which of the following? Alright, now that we have cleared the calculator, next thing will be to store a number, of which I highly recommend 2, guys. Very important. So to store 2 on this calculator, you press the value 2, then press the store button. Want to store it as x, you press this button for x, then press enter, and it will indicate that it has been stored as 2. Alright, so let's use this 2 to simplify this expression, this trigonometric expression. So the 2 we have stored as x will be replacing theta here, or it will be substituting theta here. It's as simple as this, guys. So this is in fraction. To bring out the fraction symbol, you press alpha window. So fraction is here, press this button, then press 1. Alright, so we have square root of, we press second button and this to come out, square root of 1, okay, minus cos square theta. Now guys, pay attention here. This is how you're going to represent cos square theta on this calculator. We're going to do cos, remember our theta, we are going to represent it with x, okay, the x we stored, button, s will come out, close the brackets. Alright, then we have this square, you then press this square button for the square. Alright, over, we have square root of, we press second, this button, 1 minus sine square theta, that's sine x, close the bracket, square. Okay, so this is how you're going to represent it, guys. Alright, exactly like this. Okay, we are good to go. Let's press enter now to see what we're going to have as the output. We have 2.185 if we are leaving it in 3 decimal places. Right now, let's simplify the option. Anyone that gives us 2.185 will be the answer to this question. It's as simple as this. So let's begin with option F. So we have, remember we got 2.185. So we have sine theta, which is sine x. Okay. No, let's check option G. So we have cos theta, which is cos x. Alright. No, let's check option H. Tan theta, which is tan x. Close the bracket, press enter. Minus 2.185. Guys, it has to be option H. Alright, there is a mistake in this answer we have here. They are meant to put negative sign here. Alright, so the error is from the people that state this question. Alright, they're meant to put negative sign for this option H. So the correct option is option H. Alright, that's the correct option. The difference is the sign. Alright, so that's it for this question. Cot theta is same thing as 1 over tan theta. Sec theta is same thing as 1 over cos theta. So when you check the output, it will not give you 2.185. Alright, so the correct option is what option H. The only difference is that this one is in positive convention, this one here is a negative convention, of which the slight error is from the people that set this question. It didn't recognize the sign convention. Alright, so that's it for this video. The correct option is option H. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to my channel, ensure that you are subscribed to the channel for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video to let me know how you feel from what you have learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I have talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. That's for this video, guys. Don't forget to use the calculator once you are done. Just press second plus button, press 7, press 1, press 2, and it will do that for you. Alright, now click on the end screen above, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.